Welcome to the Adding Attachments section of the Treatment Documentation module for the axiUm Introduction for Clinical Faculty and Residents. Items covered in this training include attachments. Sometimes, rather than using a prefabricated EPR form, you may need to add or upload a form from your computer as an attachment to your patient's record. Providers can add attachments to a patient's records through two modules, the Attachments module and the EHR module. Through the EHR module, with your patient selected, you'll open the EHR module as usual. Open the Attachments and Consents tab. Highlight the type of attachment you wish to add, which will be located under the Sections area. Click the Add Record icon. Type in a description of your attachment. Now click on the ellipses next to the attachment field within the Add Patient Attachment window. From here, you'll need to navigate off of the Citrix server and onto your local computer to find the attachment. Select the Look In or Location drop-down menu at the top of the Select the Attachment File window. Look for your local disk. Go to the Users folder. Then select the folder with your username as the folder name. For example, my username is A.L. Brown. Now you're on your local computer and you can navigate to the attachment you need to upload. In this case, I'm selecting a Word document from my local desktop. Double-click on the file or select Open to add it as an attachment. The entire file path will now display in the attachment field. Select OK. Your new attachment should now appear in the list of documents that are attached to this patient's files. You can also go through the Attachments module. With your patient selected, open the attachments. Highlight the type of attachment you wish to add, then click the Add Record icon. Select the ellipses next to the Consent field. Here, you'll have an option of scanned or local attachments that you can select from. For scanned or local computer attachments, select Scanned in Consents with the code of DOT. You should now see the dot in the Consent field, having selected OK after your selection. Change the description of the attachment to something meaningful to you. Select the ellipses again next to the Attachments field. Again, you'll need to navigate off the Citrix server and onto your local computer to find the attachment. Just use the steps that we went over previously to browse to your file. The entire path will now display in the Attachment field. Select OK. Your new attachment should appear in the list of documents. Now that we've looked at utilizing EPR forms and attachments, let's take a look at how to add treatment codes and clinical notes to your patient's treatment history. Do you have more questions about adding attachments to your patient's records? You can contact the DCG EHR Training Coordinator to learn more about axiUm.